What's up, drone scouts? We'll have that balls. What's up, drone scouts? I'm in my hometown of Belmar, New Jersey. There's construction right around where I live, so I talked to the contractor. I asked him if it'd be okay if I did some drone footage. He said, yeah, he just wanted me to stay away from, be mindful of the crew that's working and the traffic. I told him it wasn't a problem. I wanted to interview him, but he was a little busy, so, it's all good. So I'm gonna get some footage, fly around. Sorry, I got a little Joby mount onto my Lumix G9, so I hope the footage is okay. I know the autofocus isn't a contrast based, so hopefully it's not hunting around too much. So we're gonna get some footage. I'm really excited about this. Woohoo! Alright, I don't want to be too shaky with the footage, so we'll have that. Get the drone out and fly.